what have we got under the hood?
Well, we have a 4.2 liter Range Rover V8 custom exhaust. We've got a 4 HP 22 4-speed automatic underneath it with an LT230. Right now, some 33-inch tall tires. 33 12 50 17s actually. I think they're black rhino.
Black Rhino, that's right.
They aren't made anymore. About 3 years ago for this project. And 2-inch lift, terra firma shocks, I believe.
Brand new all around, right?
All brand new suspension lift, brand new
Bushings.
bushings, yeah.
We've got the under dash AC kit,
Yep.
all dialed in. Just a generic Bluetooth. If somebody wants to do a bigger, custom unit, they can. But this at least serves the basic needs. You got oil pressure, speedo, obviously all the stuff as far as gauges have been upgraded, along with the air conditioning. Electric seats.
Power locks, right?
Yep, power locks, electric seats. The only thing that's really manual are the windows. Yeah, it's got the upgraded center console for the automatic shifter. It also has a front grill kit, right?
Front grill kit. We've got wide body flares because the wheels are pushed out about an inch and a half on each side.
We've got the F-35s that we're competing with. Discussing the big bullets for this particular truck. Not only is it left-hand drive, but it has an automatic transmission and it's got a V8. So for those people that enjoy driving vehicles down in California, should be a winner, right?
Yeah. Should be able to get this one smogged a lot easier than if you had a diesel.
Amen.